Here are some affirmations for self-love. Placing your hand on your heart, breathe in through the nose for 4. Hold for 2. Out for 5. In for 4. Hold for 2. Out for 5. Centering yourself in the here and now, and repeat after me. I am chosen. I am loved. I am supported. I am shown up for. I am cherished. I am honored. I am respected. I am adored. I am number 1. I am prioritized. I am important. I am listened to. I am understood. Repeat these at least 2 to 3 times a day for at least 4 to 5 rounds each time. So just rewind back and repeat. Alrighty, let me know how you go. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that come out. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.